Hello everyone, it's the Lilac Bunny, and today I'm going to show you how to make this pumpkin charm out of polymer clay. So first you're going to take your orange clay and roll it into a ball and flatten it down just a little bit to get that pumpkin shape. Then you're going to use your needle tool to add the indents. Then if you want to make this a charm, this is the time when you would add your eye pin. Then you're going to take your brown clay and roll it into a coil and cut a little piece off for the stem. Then you're going to take your green clay and roll it into a coil and twist them a little bit to make the vines. Now you don't have to do this, but if you want to, you can add a face. So I use micro marbles for the eyes and a strip of black clay for the mouth. Now bake according to your instructions. And afterwards you glaze and you're all done. And you're all done! I hope you all found this video useful and it gave you some inspiration. Thank you so much for watching and supporting my channel, and I'll see you all in my next tutorial. Bye bye!